It's facing north. That's very interesting. We'll see what happens with that. Yeah, interesting that it went that way. But yeah, it's gonna turn around and come to the south side, our last plane of the stream.
Juliet, I told you 7 because there's a wingtip turns there. So.
Wow, so Southwest has about 4,000, let's see.
Juliet, cross-train 25, right contact ground point 75.
Oh wow, that's why it was facing that way. Oh, I wonder if we have a captain retiring.
Cross-train 25, right contact ground point 75. Thanks for your help.
Yeah, no problem. About 25 right, hotel 575 an hour, 29.
Wow, that's so cool. Amazing. Wow, look at that, you guys. Water cannon salute. Somebody retiring probably, right? Last flight for somebody there. Emergency vehicles. We're gonna go to Air Union 8300 for either the captain or the first officer. Congratulations to the pilot retiring on that flight.